What's up, everyone? Back here with another episode of designing in SwiftUI, but replicating designs we find on Dribbble. And let me just. Okay, let's fix this. And okay, so sorry I've been kind of out the loop, guys. Been busy building and doing and learning, honestly, a ton of other platforms, but I'm gonna come back to my bread and butter here because this is what you guys love the most. And I want to apologize again for the sound quality. I just got the new MacBook Air M1 chip, and the OBS is kind of bugging out with me, unfortunately, and I fixed some of the bugs, but just so you guys know, this guy right here that I purchased off Amazon does not work with the M1 chip when it comes to putting in an external hard drive or charging your computer. But if you want to use this cord to charge a phone, or if you want to use USB or any of this other stuff, it does work. So go figure. So what we're going to make today, it's going to be kind of a short one. We're not going to make this guy. What we're going to do instead is we're going to make this guy. Just for time purposes, because in my next couple of videos, I'm also going to dive into new aphorism, whatever, how you say that, and how to design in SwiftUI. But let's definitely get started with this guy. So first and foremost, I'm going to come in here, go to my iCloud, go to Clava, let's turn this into a list, come down to Team Pictures. Let's grab my name, open assets here. Let's go ahead and drag and drop in here, okay? And then let's come in here. Oh, just kidding. Let's close this guy out. Content view. Now it's closed. And I'm actually gonna. No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm actually probably gonna keep everything on one page, guys. I'll show you how I can, keep it organized for you, but just for time purposes, honestly. So we want to embed this into an H stack, actually, and we want to bring an image, and we want to do system name, and this is going to be like this, and then we're going to come in here, another image, and it's going to be AJ. Come in here, make this dot resizable, and then we're going to do a dot frame of width 40, height of 40. And this is so guys, I don't know what the hell is going on, but this is like, I keep getting this bug. Is anyone else having this? For some reason, my images are not showing up. And I confirmed, it's so weird. I had this working. Yeah, see? I had this working the other day, but then when I go, see, it's not even showing up. There it is. Okay, just have to clean it up. Okay, frame width, it's gonna be 40, height of 40. Make it 50. SF Pro symbols. Oh, I don't have it. Okay. Back dot arrow. Actually, let's do chevron dot left for now. Yeah, I'll fix that. In the meantime, we're just gonna keep this for now because I just got a new computer, so I didn't download SF Pro symbols. Sir, okay, come in here, grab this H stack, padding dot horizontal is going to be 25. And let's go ahead and let's embed this into a V stack. A V stack. Come in here and let's extract this. No, not embed. Let's extract subview. Call this header. Okay, let's resume. Now we're going to do next, we're going to create these cards. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to create a VStack and then create a ZStack, and then below, what do we got? Oh, above, okay. VStack above. Text is gonna say photos. Okay. After that, there's gonna be another text that says 4524. Okay. And we're gonna show SwiftUI inspector. It's a line left. Okay. And then we're gonna Command Shift L. We're gonna add a circle, and this guy's gonna have a frame of width of 12, height of 12. Looking like 22 by 22, maybe even 28 by 28. I'm gonna make it 30. Okay, and then I'm gonna close this so we get some more room. Let's minimize this guy. Okay, and then foreground is gonna be color literal. Let's grab this color. Let's grab this orange. Okay. And then we're gonna just copy these guys. How many are there? There is 4. And this guy is actually going to be an image, system name, plus, perfect. And this is going to be, it's going to grab this frame here. And foreground is going to be dot white, no, dot black. And behind this is going to be dot background, and this is going to be color dot white. Okay, so that's good. And corner radius of 15. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do an offset of x of 5. Perfect. And we're going to take you and make you 10. And then make you 15, and which is ZStack here. Okay, and we're gonna grab this guy, get his color, grab this yellow, then we'll take this guy, other, space these out more. Okay, all right. And yeah, so we're gonna make you 15, we're gonna make you 25, we're gonna make you 35. More? Okay. You know what? I'm actually gonna change this to an H stack. And we're gonna do spacing of 0, -5. And let's get rid of this offset, let's get rid of this offset, let's get rid of this offset. That looks better. Okay, that looks way better. Okay. And I wonder, do these guys have borders? Let me go here real quick. And stroke. So, dot stroke. Can you do this even anymore? Nope. I like this anyway. Alright, so let's come in here, let's get this VStack. Let's fold this, and let's fold this guy. And we're gonna come in here and yeah, right here. Okay, so there's gonna be a frame width, I'm gonna say around 200, height of 300, other way around, 3, 2, maybe even like 250. Oh, and let's see. 230. All right, so let's put this down here. Background, color literal, and let's go ahead and grab this guy. Okay, awesome, and we're gonna do put a foreground of that white here. And open this up, and we're going to do font that size, and it's going to be, what are we at here? Looking at maybe 18, got bold, got rounded, okay, and then what's the other guy? Okay, take this guy, put him around 12, and medium, and do a foreground of color literal. Let's grab this guy and make him like a gray. And you know what? I'm gonna make him like a 16. I'm gonna make him like an 18. I'm gonna make this guy like a 25. Yeah, that looks better. I can see that. And then come down here, corner radius, and this is gonna be 100. No, 50. 40, 30. Let's do 30. All right, and then this V stack. Let's fold. So this V stack, I'm gonna do alignment dot leading. Okay, and it looks like. Let's fold these guys. And yeah, so okay, so let me just see what this does. Trailing 30. No, don't want to move that. I want to move. I'm gonna actually embed these into a V stack, and I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna bring this H stack in there. Okay. Oh, and I'm gonna fold. So we can see, and take this alignment here, cut it, put it right here, and then we're going to do a padding dot trailing. It's going to be 30, I think it's 50, perfect. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to embed this into an H stack, and I'm going to fold this, and I'm going to fold this, and let's go ahead and copy this real quick, and we're just gonna have to change the content. So this is videos, this is 190 files, this is same colors. Okay, and okay, so we need to keep this here. And we need, why is photos not aligned? Right there. Okay. Okay, sweet. So next we have to put this into another H stack, and we're going to call this a scroll view. And it's going to be dot horizontal, and it's going to I'm going to take this out. I'm going to do indicator, shows indicator, and the scroll view is going to get rid of this stuff. False, and it's going to be horizontal. All right, and then let's come in here, let's fold this, do a padding of dot leading of, what are we doing? It's looking about 25, let's make it 25, let's make it 20. Okay, and then let's go in this V stack here and let's do a background, of color dot black, and let's do edges all, and let's come in here and do a frame dot height dot infinity. Oh. That's alright. We're going to fix all this. I'm not worried about it. Alright, so next what we want to do is we're going to do this section down here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract subview here, and I'm going to fold, and yeah, I'm going to can I extract this guy? Yeah, cards. Okay, cool. So then below here, I'm going to do an H stack, and it's going to have a text of my folders, okay? And then after that, it's going to have an image of system name. It's going to be plus, okay? Easy. Let's resume, and then we're going to do a frame here of width of 50, height of 50, and it's going to be a corner radius of 25. Come in here, background, background, yeah, it has to be background. Color literal, no, not UI color literal. Let's grab this picker here again, my favorite tool. Saves me, oh, damn, missed it. Okay, and then we're gonna make a, get rid of this, and maybe, I think it's way too big, so let's make it 40. A little better there, and then we need to, font size, we need size, and it's gotta be 18. Let's do 20. And let's make it that bold, not bolder, that bold. So I'm actually gonna do this one, because I think we can get the, yeah, 20, bold. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Come in here, let's add a spacer, and let's come into H stack, and let's do a padding of that horizontal, make it 25. Font, that size. This is going to be, let's open the header, jump to definition, and actually we're going to go in here. Let's make it 25. No, it looks bigger than that. I forgot to add that too. Okay, so we're actually going to reduce this to 22. Yeah, don't worry about that for now. And we're going to reduce this guy to 22. And then we're going to copy this. And let's bring him up here. Okay. And this is going to be 25. And then we're going to copy this text. And we're going to need to put a H stack here. And this text is going to say favorites. And then we're going to add a spacer. And then we're going to add a padding leading of 25. Okay, so we fixed that. My folder's coming along. It's coming along. We'll fix the, I'm going to extract subview from this guy. And it's going to be folders header. Okay, and then below that, we're going to create these guys. So it shouldn't be hard. Let's go ahead and add a VStack. And I'm going to download SF symbols real quick. Download SF symbols. I'll show you guys how to do it real quick. Go to here, And then you come down, download SF symbols, right here, download it. And then you gotta wait, and in the meantime, we will think about how we're gonna do this. So we're actually gonna come in here and let me open this guy. Open. Yeah, continue, agree, install. Okay, cool. While that's going, we're actually going to create an H stack here, right? What's this say? Go to trash. Cool. So we should have SF symbols now. All right. So now what we need to do is we need to folder and then, so H stack. Okay, so got it. This is easy. Okay, so H stack, and then we are going to name. Okay, so we need image, and this is going to be system name. Okay, and then this is going to be a V stack, and this is going to have a text of products, and have another text of 150 files, and then after that it's going to be an image of system name. Okay, and I'm going to say this is folder.fill, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to bring up SF symbols. It is. Okay, and then can we search for menu dot okay, so we're gonna have to really find this one. You know what? I'm gonna hack this. Let's get the arrow first. Let's fix that arrow issue. Where's the arrow left? My gosh, how many symbols? Okay, arrow backward. Okay, so let's come in here. Okay, and this guy's got to be way bigger. And we're gonna make him 19, bold, dot rounded. Okay, so instead of having an image here, which we can, I just don't feel like searching, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I kind of create little custom symbols. So we'll just do a circle, frame of width of 8, height of 8. Okay, just gonna copy this. Okay, and frame height, frame height. Okay, and spacing is going to be -5, 0, maybe 1. Yeah, perfect. Okay, spacer. Once we get this one card down, it'll be smooth sailing from there, guys. So I'm gonna make this like a 30. I think I can just do 30 here like this. No. Font size. Babe, I'm recording. Shut up. Sorry. 30. And then we're going to do a foreground color of color literal. Grab this guy. Let's come in here and let's go to Safari. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're quitting out of this because it's not letting me go for some reason. Okay, and we're gonna grab this guy. Okay, then it's going to be a, let's copy from, and it seems like this guy's the same as this, so we're going to copy that style. And I'm going to grab it here. I'm going to place it here. And then same style as the gray as well. Let's go ahead and grab this so we don't have to rewrite some code here. And so you can highlight everything, guys, and Control I, and I'll clean up your code. Organize it, as in like condense it. Okay, so this H stack is going to be a padding of dot horizontal. It's going to be 25. Okay, and I actually want these smaller. Six, perfect. All right. Now, what we need to do, why is this like that? Why is my folders like that? Folders. Oh, let me jump to definition. Jump to definition here, and that is a little weird. It is not centered. So what happens if we do 20? No, it has to be 25. Yeah, it has to be. Yeah, and I think the issue is going to be it's because these guys, so you're gonna have to make this frame as big, I think, as this circle here. So 40. There we go. Now we're lined up. Cool. All right, so now what we can do is we can actually, let's go ahead and fold this guy. And all we have to do is just copy, right? It's gonna be a lot of code, a lot of code, but we're just gonna have to, move some stuff around. Web design, I can help with web design if anyone needs it. And actually, it's gonna have to be alignment. It's gonna be leading. Okay, and we're actually gonna have to copy this and bring it up here and put it right here, right? And then we're gonna fold this and we're gonna extract this guy and row card 1. Okay, that guy's done. Do the same thing here. I'm just gonna call it row card. Let's do row card 2. And then last but not least, we have to do the third one, which is photos. Bess, can you take him out, please? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, hold on. Sorry guys, I got a puppy. When he has to go to the bathroom, he has to go to the bathroom. All right, so now what we have to do is we're gonna extract this guy, and it's gonna be row card 3. Okay, so now, see, like guys, when we extract stuff, there isn't that much code, you know what I mean? So what we can do here is extract this guy as well, and call this favorites header. Okay, and we kind of understand where everything is, right? So header at the top, favorites header right there. You can name it something else. You can actually honestly blend this in with the scroll view if you want. You didn't have to do what I did. You could put the scroll view in a VStack if you want. I just did it for time's sake. My folder stuff right here and a VStack, right? So now let's go ahead and I love how they how they added this embedded in Z stack. You used to have to embed it in a V or H first and then change it to a Z. So cool, and then we're gonna do a frame max width dot infinity. See, that takes up the whole. Okay, and we're gonna come in here and edges dot all. Okay, and now we're gonna start spacing out our products. Okay, and actually, we're gonna actually have to add a frame here, and it's gonna be a height of, let's try 54, 64. I'm gonna try actually like 70, and I lied. We're actually gonna have to go in here, guys. I'm sorry I have to do this. And we're actually gonna have to take this out of all of ours. Explain in a second why. So if we were gonna do it that way, we wouldn't be able to get our cards exactly how we want them to look. So we're actually gonna have to add this. We're actually gonna have to add this here to bring them in. And then what this does is we can then add a background, right? Like this, come in here, and we can just grab this color, it's the same color, right? And then what we can do here, we can actually reduce this to 20, and we can come in here and do a padding of dot horizontal of 5. No, I lied. We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. We're going to have to come in here, unfortunately, and I know this is, let's jump to definition. And this image fill, we're actually going to have to do a padding of dot leading of 10. Move him over and do the same thing for the circles. So the circles are gonna have to be trailing though. Okay. And yeah, okay, so it doesn't line up anyway. Cool. All right, and okay, so we'll actually go ahead and do all that for the remaining. So it's gonna be 10, and it's gonna say trailing. Right, and coming in here, 10, it's gonna be trailing, okay? Okay, so we got everything set up now, and I'm gonna go back to the top, and we're gonna do a corner radius of 30, and we're gonna make everything, we're gonna actually come in, we're actually gonna go back to the definition now that we have the background, and we're going to come in here, and we're actually going to make this a foreground of that white, and we're actually just going to copy this, and we're going to add it here as well. So circles turn white, come in here, add this, come in here, same thing, right? And I messed up right here. So what happened? Oh, it's because, okay. Okay, so what we need to do, actually, we're gonna actually reduce this size by like 19, just because the web design is a little big. And just doesn't look right. I like taking these designs and kind of making them better. That's why I kind of take my time with my videos. Yeah, I like really dissecting and honestly, I would probably align these center. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that because this is really bothering me. So I'm actually going to do this, right? I think this looks better. You guys can do whatever you want. And no offense to whoever designed this. This is just like my preference. So yeah, we're gonna come in here and we're gonna add photos and circle, come up here, web design and circles. Okay, and then one more. Okay, so we're good there. Then we're gonna see how they all line up, the files line up perfectly. Like that's what I like, you know what I mean? So now what we gotta do is do the same thing. Add here, boom. And it's starting to come around, and I think might be able to get away with a smaller size. And which one didn't I change? 190 files, photos, whose videos? Oh, yeah, perfect, 16. So we should change all these to 16. And yep, perfect. Now it's looking really good, guys. And then what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to come up here and I'm actually going to reduce the amount. I'm going to make this a 15. And with that being said, I'm going to come back down to the folders and the circles. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, record once, jump definition. And I'm going to do a trailing 15, and then I'm going to come in here and add a 15 here. I want to bring these guys closer together. Just think it looks nicer. 15. Okay, so now we're looking good, guys. And last but not least, though, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go into my folders header, jump to definition, and I'm going to make this guy like a 34, okay? And then come in here and make him a 22. Oh no, make this guy an 18. Perfect. Okay, so now we're good. Now I think we have everything set up, and now what we want to do is space all the elements out. So we're going to add a spacer of dot frame of height. It's going to be 50. Okay, we're going to copy this guy, and we're going to put him here, but it looks like it's 25, maybe even 35. Okay, come in here, folders, come in here, it's about 35, 25, come in here, it's going to be, okay, 50. Now, if we come in here and we look at this, looks like, yeah, so it looks like, yeah, this is looking very close to what we have. Looks like these maybe need a bigger corner radius. Honestly, it looks like our cards need to be bigger, so let's go ahead and make these cards bigger real quick. Let's make these 80. 80, 80. Cool, that looks better. And then we're gonna make this a fold. And let's go ahead and add a background. Color literal. Let's grab this guy, other, and let's make sure it's that black. Okay, so oh, this is max height. There we go. Now we're talking. All right. Now what we can do is come into open up the header. Let's jump to definition, and let's make this foreground color a white. Okay. Jump to definition again. Make this guy foreground color that white. And last but not least, let's come up here and let's jump to definition. Make him foreground white. All right, guys, so that's it. Looks like we successfully replicated this design here to the right. And what's cool about it is if we play, since we added our scroll view, we can actually scroll here. And with that, one more thing I do want to do is let's head on over to, I wonder if I can add spacing. Can I add spacing? No. Alright, so I'm going to go in this card here, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold one of them, and we're going to fold the other, and okay, so I'm actually going to do a padding.trailing of 20. There we go. So now we have a really nice looking UI here, and can I scroll? Let's stop it then. Okay, and we got this, and then we have the right side. So if you guys want me to design this left side, please comment, like, subscribe. More than happy to do it. This looks like a really nice UI. This would probably be very difficult, but we could definitely do it. But I did want to show you just like how easy it is to design something like this. So really hope you enjoyed this. Thanks to my man over here for designing this. I'm going to reach out to you and let you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I will see you in the next one.